I will refer you again to the response of our witness, no, regarding this matter, si COA's attorney Roderick Wamil. So sabi nga ho niya, ang his position is liability is not on the Special Disbursement Officer alone. In fact, higher responsibility and accountability is placed on the head of agency. And he pointed to specific provisions of the law and yung joint circular. Kung saan nakalagay ho dyan, maliwanag, na it is the head of the agency who's directly and primarily responsible for all funds and properties pertaining to the agent, to his or her agency. No? At nakalagay din ho sa joint circular that governs the use and liquidation of confidential funds. Ang head of agency, siya ho ang inaatasan, no, na siguraduhin na yung liquidation process under that joint circular will be properly and strictly observed. Nakalagay din ho dyan, meron din siyang also responsibility to directly supervise the use of confidential funds, no? At makikita din natin dun sa mga napakadaming certifications and different liquidation reports, documents na pinirmahan ng Vice Presidente, nakalagay doon, she's accountable for the use of those confidential funds. So, again, this is not my words. These are the words of Attorney Roderick Wamil, sorry, nasabi niya, ang head of agency ang mas may mataas na pananagutan dyan.